Kapag kailangan mo ng body brightening routine sa Watsons pero 1,000 pesos lang yung budget mo, what are the best products to get? Yun ang gagawin natin for this video, so let's go. So we're here now in the newly reopened Watsons Mall of Asia branch. This is one of the many Watsons branches sa Mall of Asia. Pero ito yung pinaka-bago nila, pinaka-modern, pinaka-refreshed. As in, ang dami-dami talaga mga bagong brands na naandito na wala pa dito before. So it's a very, very exciting branch to explore. Alright, so start na tayo with our body brightening routine. And as with any body routine, ang first step natin is a body wash or a soap. And marami kasing mga tao, ang gusto nilang mangyari sa mga body washes or soaps nila is may brightening ingredient na. But actually ako, yung philosophy ko when it comes to brightening, it's good to start with a gentle body wash first. Pwede ring gentle soap kung gusto ninyo. And actually, since nagtitipid tayo sa routine ngayon, I feel like I'm going to get a product na very, very popular and kinukuha talaga ng maraming tao. That is, of course, our Beauty Bar from Dove. So ito guys, feeling ko ito yung magiging soap natin for our routine because 70 pesos lang to. Actually, ang gusto kong kunin talaga is itong Dove Sensitive nila because the gentler the body wash, the more it'll be able to support yung brightening goals mo for your body brightening routine. But since, ayun nga, 1,000 pesos lang yung budget natin, we're going to get this one para start tayo ng medyo strong. O, diba? 70 pesos out of 1,000 pesos. Ayan. So, babalik na natin siya. And wala pa pala tayong basket. So, punta tayo doon. I think naandun yung mga basket. Kuha tayo. Ayan. Kunin natin ang I'm okay to shop on my own as an independent. Actually, parang mas gusto ko ng cart. Pero actually, baka marami tayong mabangga kapag yung cart yung ginamit natin. Anyway, balik na tayo. Let's go. If medyo hindi nyo gusto yung feeling ng Dove, kasi diba merong iba, hindi nila na-feel na parang nalilinis yung katawan nila. Usually, they prefer a body wash. So, if you're looking for a body wash alternative, I have two recommendations for you. First is itong Johnson's Milk Plus Rice Baby Bath. So, this has very gentle cleansing agents. Yun yung usual hack ko kapag bumibili ng mga body washes na gentle. Tingnan nyo yung mga baby products talaga. Kasi they're formulated, of course, for babies. Cocamida propylbetaine, decyl glucoside, sodium methyl cocoyl taurate. So, very good option to. This is, however, 289 pesos. Feeling ko, baka kapusin tayo sa budget kapag ito yung pinili natin. But just so you know, and meron pa siyang refill na 600 ml, o diba? And speaking of baby products, I actually wanted to go here to show you guys one of the more affordable options for mga body washes for babies na pwede rin sa mga sensitive skin types. It's this one, Watsons brand din siya. It's the Watsons Love My Little Ones Gentle Head to Toe Wash. So as you can see dito sa label niya, it's pH 5.5, which is the pH ng skin barrier natin. So okay na okay siya. It won't dry out your skin barrier. It won't make you more irritated kasi same pH siya. And the best part about this is 199 pesos lang siya. So compared to yung ibang mga body washes natin doon, this might be a good option also for those na medyo naglilimit lang ng budget nila sa body washes. Another very, very popular product na ako gustong-gusto ko talaga gamitin sa routine ko, this is the Milku Underarm and Foot Deodorant Powder. Parang ilagay natin for consideration sa basket natin kasi feeling ko mura lang to eh. Magkano ba to? Parang 72 pesos lang. So, consider natin, especially since our next step is babalik tayo doon because naandun din yung deodorants natin or antiperspirants. If hindi nyo pa napapanood yung mga previous videos ko, ano ba yung difference ng deodorant and antiperspirant? Basically, deodorant is a group of products tapos part doon si antiperspirant. So, basically, ang purpose ng antiperspirants is they block yung sweat mo. Kasi usually, yung pawis talaga, when you mix it with bacteria, yun yung nagkakos ng body odor. So, ang ginagawa ni antiperspirants, they block yung sweat, but at the same time, they also have antibacterial properties. Meanwhile, yung mga ibang deodorant naman, like let's say yung mga tawas, hindi nila sinastop yung sweat, pero sinastop nila yung bacteria. May antibacterial properties sila, so they help in that way. Pero since medyo nagtitipid nga tayo, gusto natin ng 2-in-1 na, that's why we're getting an antiperspirant. And ano pa bang antiperspirant yung kukunin natin kung hindi yung favorite natin na ilang videos ko na talaga itong minention. Of course, from Dove uli tayo. Nakasuking-suki tayo sa Dove. Di ba kung muna tayong sabon, meron pa tayong antiperspirant. This is their deodorant dry serum from their Radiant Plus Care line. And the reason why I like this is because it has 3% niacinamide, which is not only a brightening ingredient, but it also helps support your skin barrier. Now, ang common question dito is, which variant should I choose? Yung may collagen ba, may vitamin C and E, or 10 times omega-6? Honestly, it doesn't really matter. Ako, ang pinipili ko lang kung ano yung gusto kong amoy, honestly. Kasi yung collagen and yung omega-6, they're more of just moisturizing ingredients. Doesn't really matter a lot kasi meron naman siyang ibang moisturizing ingredients. And then yung vitamin C and E, supposedly for brightening, pero maliit na amount lang naman siya. So, it's really more than niacinamide that you want to really expect the brightening from. So, piliin nyo lang kung ano yung gusto nyong amoy. Ako personally, yung gusto ko na amoy is yung purple nila, yung merong omega-6. So, yun yung kukunin ko. Lagay na natin siya sa basket. Alright, so tapos na tayo with our body wash or yung soap natin as well as yung deodorant. And baka merong magtanong sa inyo, gagamit ba ako ng scrub or gagamit ba ako ng yung mga salt scrub, coffee scrub. Di ba maraming mga tao iniisip nila, magla-lighten yung skin ko kapag nag-scrub ako. Actually, baliktad siya. So, since scrubs cause a little bit more irritation on the skin, kasi nga physical scrub sila, di ba? And yung irritation from that can actually cause your skin to get a bit darker. Kasi, di ba yung tinatawag ng hyperpigmentation? Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So, it can get darker if na-over-scrub mo yung skin mo. So, what dermatologists usually say, lalong-lalo na sa mga sensitive areas ng katawan mo, like yung underarms, yung sa singit, just a gentle body wash or a gentle na sabon. And let's move on to our next step, which is our brightening lotion. So, first thing actually na naiisip ko when it comes to yung mga brightening lotion is from the brand Snail White. It's the one na minention ko doon sa brightening body lotions ko na video, yung Snail White Body Glow Cream na nasa color pink. I think wala siya dito. Pero okay lang guys because I think 599 pesos din yun. So, baka maubusan na tayo ng budget pag yun yung kinuha natin. Good thing we have some alternatives here. Check natin kung nandito yung Human Nature na niacinamide lotion nila. Wala rin. Yung mga gusto kong body lotions na brightening, mukhang wala siya sa branch na to. I think let's go with a very reliable one from, of course, Fresh Skin Lab na laging meron sila sa Watsons. Kunin natin yung Soothing Gel Lotion nila na may 3% niacinamide. Naku yun, perfect na perfect. And I think 200 plus pesos lang yun. So, naandun siya. Excuse me po. Kunin ko lang. Thank you. Very nonchalant. So you guys already know this product very, very well. This is the 3-in-1 Niacinamide Soothing Gel Lotion of Fresh Skin Lab in Jeju Aloe Eyes. This is really a favorite of a lot of you guys, especially since this has 3% niacinamide. So of course, with any body brightening routine, kailangan talaga natin mag-sunscreen because kapag hindi kayo nagsa-sunscreen, sayang yung buong brightening routine ninyo. So as you guys know, ang function ng sunscreen is it blocks the harmful UV rays or it helps protect us from those UV rays. And yun din kasi yung parang main cause talaga ng skin discoloration. As in, mas nagda-darken pa yung mga dark spots natin. Even some of our red marks get even redder when exposed to the sun. So, yun yung number one talaga na parang protection natin na kailangan ng skin. So, we're looking for a sunscreen na hindi lang mataas yung SPF, pero broad spectrum yung protection, which means it protects us from both UVA and UVB rays. UVB for burning, so yung parang nagkakos ng sunburn, that's what SPF protects us from. And then yung UVA or yung broad spectrum, isipin nyo A, so parang aging, yun yung nagkakos ng skin aging and nagko-contribute din sila sa mga dark spots. So pupunta tayo sa harap because meron akong naisip na body sunscreen na magandang-maganda talaga and sa Watsons mo lang din siya mahanap. Oh my God, sana nandito to kasi sa last video natin wala siya. Pero wala yung body nila. Sige, meron naman tayong mga backup for body. So, tingnan natin kung naandito din yung mga gusto kong backup. So, yun yung top 1 choice ko though, yung Lux Organics Max Active na sunscreen, yung SPF 150. I recommended that already in my best body sunscreens na video. And what's nice about that sunscreen is, okay siya not just for the body, pero sa face, medyo relatively lightweight din talaga siya. Silang dalawa ni Quick FX na Vita sunscreen for the body are both also good sunscreens for the face, pero hindi rin siya available. So, meron pa akong isa na backup na alam kong available dito because nakikita ko siya doon. So, pumunta tayo doon. Okay, so alam kong available to, confident ako na available to because in fairness di ba dati out of stock yung brand na to? Ngayon, Bugsh, isang buong stall na siya and this is the sunscreen that we're gonna get. Of course, ang pambansang favorite, the Dermaction Plus by Watsons na face and body na sunscreen. And since ito may tester, ipakita natin sa inyo how much I like this sunscreen. Maglagay tayo dito sa kamay natin. Ayan siya. And this is how it is. So of course, it starts as a lotion type. White talaga siya at first. Pero walang white cast to. As you can see, it melts very, very easily on the skin. And tingnan niyo naman yung finish niya, di ba? Hindi siya makintab and it feels just right on the skin. Parang naglagay ka lang ng lotion. So this is really, kapag sa umaga, after you finish showering, this could be your 2-in-1 lotion and sunscreen na product. So ayan, ang ganda ng finish niya. And sa mga curious, this is SPF 50+, PA4+. So very high protection na yon. Really, really good protection. And pwede mo rin tong gamitin not just every day, but also kapag pumupunta ka sa beach or magsiswimming ka because it is also water resistant. Now, aside from that, another thing that I really, really like about this brand is advanced yung mga UV filters na gamit niya because yung Dermaction kasi is galing siya sa Thailand and hindi ko alam kung bakit pero ang dami talagang options sa Thailand na advanced yung mga UV filters na gamit na nila. I feel like very, very underrated ang Thailand when it comes to skincare formulations. But anyway, ito yung kukunin natin na product. I'm just gonna get a new one and this one, ito na probably yung pinakamahal sa routine natin because it's 509 pesos. And dahil kalahati na yun ang budget natin, pumunta na tayo dun sa price checker. Tingnan natin kung magkano na ang nagastos natin so far. Mag-check na tayo kung how much ang total natin so far. So we have our 70 peso Dove Beauty Bar, Bugsh, 70 pesos. Okay. We have our Milku and our Dove Radiant Plus Care. Pero parang gusto ko pa rin talaga ito. So, ito muna yung unahin natin. Ito yung prioritize natin. Because some people, they don't like to use powder kapag sa katawan nila. Kasi baka yung bumabakat sa damit, parang nagiging white siya. So, unahin natin si Dove. Okay, hindi ko alam kung kita sa screen kasi nagre-reflect siya. Meron siyang privacy screen. Privacy screen! May tinatago. Charot. But this is 181 pesos plus 70. Ay, wow! Ang taray niya. May calculator sa watch. Adea, grabe. Hindi lang siya sound engineer, pero our mathematician, si Adea. Ang dami mo ng role, di ba? Audio engineer, mathematician, top. Our niacinamide soothing gel lotion, I think 200 plus to, di ba? So, tingnan natin. 209 per pick. Okay. Plus 209. 460. Thank you po sa ating kodigo. 509. So, 969. Hindi ko kailangan ng calculator. Wow! So, 969. Meron pa tayong butal na 31 pesos. Naunahan ko yung calculator niya. So, parang hindi na kasya kasi 70 pesos ata to eh. 72 pesos. So, hindi na siya kasya. But, if you have a little over 1,000 pesos, then you could also use this as... Actually, hindi naman siya pasok sa brightening routine natin. It's not really doing anything to brighten your skin. So, I guess pwede na natin siyang ibalik. So, let's just stick to this routine. Okay. Actually, ang bilis natin sa routine na to 4 na products lang. I think ang nagpamahal talaga is the sunscreen. But I want to give you other options kung gusto nyo pa ng mga other brightening products. So, punta tayo dito. This is also a sunscreen that I like to recommend na medyo mas mura siya. This is also from a Thai brand pero formulated in Korea siya. As you can see here, it's the Cathy Doll Aqua Sun Non-Greasy Body Sun Serum. So, since 500 yung Dermaction natin, but I really, really like this. Pero kung nagtitipid talaga kayo sa sunscreen, so, kunyari, ito yung kunin ninyo, makukuha nyo pa yung Milku if ever gusto nyo talaga gamitin to. Napunta pa tayo dito because there are other mga brightening or skin lightening products na pwede nyong i-consider if meron pa kayong konting budget. Ayan, one of the very reliable brands that we have as well na mura pala yung mga sunscreens niya and yung mga products niya now, it's the brand Kojisan. Now, marami na kasing may alam ng brand na to, and this brand, pag inisip mo kasi Koji, parang Kojic soap, that's what they're most popular for. But in my opinion, you guys should really check out their other products. And in fairness, very updated yung mga terms nila kasi nakalagay dito, skin lightening body lotion. Hindi na siya yung parang they promise you like white skin or whiter skin. Kasi ang more accurate term naman talaga is skin lightening or skin brightening. Kasi ang ginagawa mo is nilalighten or binabrighten mo lang yung skin tone mo, but not necessarily white. Kasi hindi naman tayo lahat white. So for example, moreno or morena ka and then you use products like these, ang mangyayari lang is pwedeng mag-lighten ng konti yung skin tone mo, but it's still, yung limit mo lang is kung ano yung skin tone mo when you were born. Hindi ka yung parang magiging sobrang puti na mukhang hindi ka na yung lahi mo. Unrealistic expectation na yun. So, very, very accurate na term talaga si lightening or si brightening, which I really like and na-impress ako kay Koji-san with. Now, kung napanood yun yung video ko with Dr. Gail Robredo Vitas about yung body brightening or body lightening, what she says is usually kung gusto mong ipantay talaga yung skin tone mo, instead of getting Kojic soaps, it's better to get Kojic na mga leave-on products. So let's say mga Kojic lotions, Kojic creams that you would put on your body because mas matagal siyang mag-work since iiwan mo nga siya sa body mo. But not only that, kasi kapag naglagay ka ng Kojic soap tapos ibababad mo siya sa skin mo, yung Kojic soap has very harsh surfactant. So pag iniwan mo siya sa skin mo, may irritate siya, and irritation, as you guys know, pwedeng mag-darken yung skin mo. So a lot of very, very big misconceptions sa ating mga Kojic soap, yung mga scrubs. So kung gagamit man lang kayo ng Kojic acid products, actually hindi naman masama ang Kojic acid. Mas maganda lang talaga gumamit ng leave-on product. So, do consider this one, the Skin Lightening Body Lotion ni Koji-san. As well as, I think meron silang cream na mas maliit eh. Itong Skin Lightening Face Cream. Pero since body routine to, sige, kunin natin si Skin Lightening Body Lotion. Consider natin yan. They also do have sunscreens na 199 pesos lang. Tinan nyo, SPF 69. Napaka-mature, SPF 69, diba? Na bakit 69 kaya yung pinili nila? And it's water-resistant. Oh, in fairness sana may tester sila. I don't think may tester sila dito though. But yeah, ano ba yung mga UV filters nito? Sana mukhang okay to. Pero sana matetest ko siya kasi hindi ko alam yung texture nito, baka mamaya may white cast siya. So, ayun. Now, another thing from Koji-san that I really, really like, and na-mention ko na rin to in previous videos, but for the face, and actually ito pwede gamitin din for the body kung gusto niyo lang siya i-try, itong super serum ni Koji-san. What's nice about this is, di ba, meron siyang kojic acid, but it combines kojic acid with niacinamide. And yung niacinamide comes in second sa ingredients list niya. So, probably merong significant na percentage yon. So, niacinamide and kojic acid, okay yun na combination to really prevent and to target yung mga dark spots or dark areas mo on the body. If you have any dark areas or dark spots on your body, this could even be like a spot treatment. Ilalagay mo. For example, may chest acne ka, lagay mo lang ng ganyan. So, then on the entire area. Hindi naman siya magiging uneven kasi ibabalik lang naman niya sa skin tone mo. Ipapantay lang naman niya. Hindi siya yung magiging whiter than the rest of your body. So, okay to. Mukhang i-consider ko rin to. So, ilagay na natin siya sa basket. And mukhang medyo marami-raming products na tayo. So, I think okay na to. Pumili na tayo kung ano yung magiging routine natin. And pumunta na tayo sa counter. Alright, so let's start with yung cleanser natin. Again, since magtitipid lang naman tayo, we're going to be using this one from Dove. It's their Beauty Bar. So check na to. This is going to be our cleanser for this routine. And then we move on to yung brightening body lotion natin. So we have this one from either Koji-san or the 3% niacinamide na soothing gel lotion ni Fresh Skin Lab. Now, okay na sana to, but I realized we also have this product from Koji-san, itong super serum nila. So, feeling ko magandang combination to. You can use this as your parang gel lotion na pang entire body. And then if you have any spots na parang concern mo talaga, then you could use this one. And then for yung mga dark na folds ng katawan natin, like yung sa underarms or sa singit, I think we're gonna get this one confirmed na itong kay Dove. Their deodorant dry serum na may 3% niacinamide din. So as you can see, niacinamide talaga yung heart and soul ng routine natin because yun yung pinaka-accessible kasi na brightening ingredient na ngayon. Usually kasi we would also get mga glycolic acid, lactic acid, pero hindi pa siya as available sa current state ng mga products natin or sa current availability ng mga products natin. So, Yun ang kukunin natin. And then for sunscreens, we have, medyo tight battle. So we have the 509 Dermaction by Watsons na sunscreen, but we also have the 199 peso sunscreen na SPF 69 from Kojisan, and also the Cathy Doll na sunscreen na 229 pesos lang. Honestly, torn ako kasi ito talaga yung gustong-gusto ko. Like, kung may budget ka talaga, this or the Lux Organics na SPF 150. Kasi water resistant din sila. So wala ka nang iisipin, kunyari pupunta ka sa beach, yun na, ito na yung sunscreen mo, di ba? Since kasya naman sa routine natin, I think I'm gonna get this one. Because also, the better the UVA protection, the better for brightening also. These ones kasi, may UVA protection naman sila, pero hanggang PA3+ lang siya. Ito PA4+. So mukhang ito talaga ang kukunin natin. So anyway, mukhang kumpleto na itong routine natin. So let's go to the cashier and babayaran na natin. Oh my God! Buy one, get one! Oh my God! Ay, perfect! May buy one, get one. Okay, buti na lang nadaanan natin. So, ligwak na natin. Kahit na ito collagen, yung isa omega-6, again, hindi naman ako maarte kung anong variant siya. Total balance. Okay, next, deodorant. Buy one, take one. Hala, 1,098. 1,1 siya, pero kukunin pa rin natin kasi just a little over lang naman. So, kaya choice nyo naman kung gusto nyo kunin or hindi. So, kunin pa rin natin, di ba? Kasi sayang, feeling ko talaga, kojic acid will be a very helpful ingredient sa routine mo. So, perfect. Ate, thank you so much. Mag-aano na tayo, Watsons, as a Watsons app, girly tayo. Ayan. Ay, may ano siya, 20% off. Oh my God. So, 996, pasok, meaning mag-Watsons member na kayo para may discount kayo, di ba? Thank you so much. Alright, so success! Ayan na ang ating under 1,000 na body brightening routine thanks to being a Watsons member. Wow! But anyway, if gusto nyong mag-shopping ng body brightening routine pero wala kayong time pumunta sa Watsons, as usual, don't worry because this is also available online. So as usual, for your convenience, ilalagay ko na lahat ng mga product links nito sa description box para hindi na kayo mahirapang hanapin sila. And dahil meron akong sarili kong body brightening routine na pinakita ko na rin sa inyo in a previous video, itong binili nating routine is actually for one of you guys. So, one lucky viewer will get to win this routine. So, the mechanics to that is going to be in the description box. Check nyo na lang doon kung gusto nyo mapanalunan yung routine na to. And also, kung meron ka pang other concerns, maybe face care routines na mabibili mo lang din sa Watsons with a certain budget, maglalagay ako ng videos here that you might want to watch, and they're for different skincare concerns, especially for mga acne-prone skin. So, if you want to watch that, click nyo lang dito yung video na yon. And as usual guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!